Hello everyone. My name is Jo and I'm an independent cloud consultant based in Sydney, Australia. This is a series of videos where we will go through questions which are very similar to Azure AI-102 certification. I'll explain in detail each and every options and figure out the correct answer. So if you're preparing for AI-102 certification, join me in this video. Now, a basic knowledge of Azure AI services will help you to better understand these questions. Now, regarding me, I watched one training to prepare for the exam. From watching this training, I got insights on different Azure AI services, what are those services used for, how to create them, and much more. So if you're preparing for your Azure AI-102 certification, I would highly recommend you this training. The link to this training will be given in the description box below. Now to the question. You have a chatbot that uses Azure OpenAI GPT 3.5 model to generate responses. You need to upload company data by using Chat Playground. The solution must ensure that the chatbot uses the data to answer user questions. How should you complete the code? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Now, a snippet of code is provided, followed by the options. So the options are chat.completions, completion, embedding, Azure AI search, Azure document intelligence, blob storage. Now, let us break down the question. What are the keywords in the question? So the question is regarding an Azure OpenAI GPT chatbot, and it is used to generate a response to user questions. And we have uploaded company data using Chat Playground. And what we need is the chatbot to use this company data and provide answers to the user questions. For that, how should we complete the code? So the chatbot should use the uploaded company data to generate responses. That is what our requirement is. Now, there is a Python code snippet provided and we have to complete the code with proper options. So in the code, first we are importing few libraries. Then we are calling a method and passing the user prompt. And here there is a data sources and there's a type. Which type of data source should we choose? And here are the parameters to connect to that data source. So now let us get into the documentation. So here is the documentation for chat with Azure OpenAI models using your own data. And if you scroll down, you can see how can you create a project, upload your data, all those things. And here you can see a Python code. Now here it is the method client.chat.completions.create. So this is the method we have to call client.chat.completions.create. We pass the user input, and here in data sources we can see that the type is Azure_search. We are calling the search resource and we are passing the endpoint and key to connect to our Azure search resource. So while we are adding our own data, we have to select the file. We have to upload the file. We have to select a blob storage resource to store the file. And again, we have to select a Azure AI search resource. Why do we need an Azure AI search resource? It is to index our data so that it can be used later after indexing. That is why we use an Azure AI search resource after uploading our files so that our data can be indexed and it can be used in a informative manner later. So while completing the code, this is the method we are calling and the type is our Azure_search, our search resource, and we are connecting to the search resource to access our data and provide response based on our data we uploaded. Now let us get back to the question. So what is the option in the first blank? It is chat.completions. OpenAI.chat.completions.create. It is not completion or it is not embedding. Embedding is to find semantic similarity and that is not what we need. We have to give answers to user question. So this is the method we are calling. Now the type is Azure AI search or it is a search resource. It can be Azure_search or it can be Azure cognitive search. Whatever the option is, the idea is we have to choose the search resource. So the type is Azure AI search. Again, from the code itself, you can get the answer for the type, because here the endpoint is that of a search endpoint. The key we are passing is that of a search key, and this is the index name, search index. So from that itself, you can figure out that the type is Azure search. So the answer is Azure search. It is not Azure document intelligence. Azure document intelligence is to get information from structured and unstructured documents. That is not what we need. It is not, type is not blob storage. Blob storage is a type of storage offered by Azure, and that is also not what we need. We are inquiring to our Azure search resource to provide correct answers to the user questions. So the type is Azure search. Now the correct answer is chat.completion and Azure AI search. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.